Good morning. Our topic for today is about the planet Earth. So, the planet Earth is the only known planet that can sustain life. So, the position of the Earth in our solar system. So, the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. So, it is located between Venus and Mars. It belongs to the group of terrestrial planets with solid surface system. So next, the size and the shape. Earth has unique shape called geoid, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Its diameter is about 12.742 kilometers. So, atmosphere and life. Earth's atmosphere is rich in oxygen for 21% and nitrogen for 78%, making it sustainable for life. It protects the planets from harmful solar radiation, and it maintains a stable temperature. So next, Earth is covered with 71% water, earning its name Blue Planet. The rest consists of continents and islands. So the movement of the Earth. Earth's rotation on its axis every 24 hours, creating day and night. Revolution, it orbits the Sun in 365.25 days, causing the season. So, the only natural satellite is the Moon, which stabilizes the planet's tilt and creates the tides in the ocean. So, Earth is ideal for life because of its habitability. So, Earth's ideal temperature, abundant in water, and protective atmosphere, making it only known planet that supports life. So, that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for listening, everyone.